Welcome to my channel. Are you curious about artificial intelligence but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I got you covered. Today we are diving into the top AI tools for beginners. These tools are simple, powerful, and perfect for anyone looking for explore the exciting world of AI. Let's get started. AI has become more accessible than ever. Whatever you are interested in generating images, learning to code, or automating tasks, there's a tool for you. Stick around and by the end of the video, you will have the perfect AI toolkit to start your journey. First one is ChatGPT, text generator. DALL-E is also part of ChatGPT image creator. The next one, if you love to code, then you have to check Google Colab, coding platform. If you are curious about coding, Google Colab is your go-to tool. It's free cloud-based platform where you can run Python code with zero setup. Plus, it's packed with tutorials to help you learn machine learning step by step. For design lovers, here is Canva Magic Design. Tools are game changer. Use AI to write captions, just layouts, and generate thumbnails for your YouTube videos. It's beginner friendly and super fun. GitHub Copilot, code assistant. Write code can immediately, but not the GitHub Copilot. It's an AI peer programmer that's just entire block of code as you type. It's perfect for learning the code while building real projects. Runway ML, creative AI. Want to dive into video editing or AI art? Runway ML is for you. It lets you create animation, enhance videos, and generate images, all without needing to write a single line of code. Here is a Zapier automation tool. Finally, let's talk about Zapier. It's an automation tool that connects apps and automates repetitive tasks. For example, it can automatically post your YouTube videos to social media platforms. Wrap up, there are just few the amazing AI tools you can start using today. Whether you are content creator, student, or just curious about AI, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to like the video, comment on your views, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.